When it comes to commercial and industrial operations, people are always trying to do more in less time, at a minimal cost, without any limitations. Those are the principles we bear in mind when creating GC3-T, the world's first waterproof 3-axis gimbal thermal camera that works with SplashDrone 4, the most powerful and versatile waterproof flight platform by Swell Pro. Together, they present an unprecedented aerial thermal imaging solution for many professional fields. GC3-T combines a thermal sensor, a low light sensor, and an adjustable LED flashlight, allowing pilots to identify objects of interest even in total darkness. The thermal sensor captures a high-resolution 640 by 512 thermal image, and the low light sensor captures 1080p true color video. Search and rescue at night is now easier and faster. Pilots can cover a lot of ground in just a few minutes and quickly locate missing people in the thermal view from a distance. The flashlight and the low light sensor literally turn night into day, giving pilots a visual confirmation of the situation before a viable rescue plan is made. GC3-T is completely waterproof, just like the SplashDrone 4, which means they could help Coast Guards find lost people on the ocean. In addition to searching, the rescue team could use the payload release mechanism on the SplashDrone 4 to drop floatable safety equipment to the victim, buying more time before they arrive. The integration of SplashDrone 4 and GC3-T takes the efficiency of industry inspection to a whole new level. Technicians can scan a large number of power lines and quickly switch views to give a visual confirmation of the object of interest on the SD Fly app without putting their lives at risk. The SD Fly app provides real-time temperature information and immediately sends out alerts if an object exceeds a preset temperature limit, which might imply possible points of failure. When it comes to thermal analysis, our proprietary thermal imaging software gives you a powerful tool for post-processing and analyzing the thermal image to generate useful insight, providing you with a full suite of thermal imaging solutions. Being waterproof also means that inspection work can be done in the rain, snow, or a strong wind. Working with SplashDrone 4, the applications of GC3-T are endless, from roofing and building inspection to solar panel inspection, from agriculture plants monitoring to firefighting. Save tremendous time, money, and lives. The new aerial thermal imaging platform by Swell Pro is going to lead many industries into a brighter future.